Checkmate is equipped with an auxiliary power unit for autonomously powering its systems. The airframe design allows for easier maintenance of the aircraft. It requires a minimum number of personnel and no special aerodrome equipment. All this makes it possible to quickly prepare the aircraft for each flight and maintain a high level of combat readiness when flying high-intensity operations. Checkmate is equipped with artificial intelligence. The system independently conducts diagnostics of the aircraft and informs the pilot about readiness for takeoff.
Systems checked.
Smart crew support implemented.
The plane is ready for takeoff.
Due to the high thrust-to-weight ratio, outstanding wing elevating features, and a reliable thrust-vectored engine, the aircraft has impressive takeoff and landing capabilities. Reduced takeoff and landing distance. Checkmate is capable of maneuvering under up to 8G. It has impressive acceleration capabilities and can maintain continuous supersonic flight. It can instantly react to changing combat situations, move to the operating area in the shortest possible time, and complete its mission. Checkmate has the best payload capabilities in its class and the longest available patrol time when searching for a target and waiting for designation. It has 1.8 Mach maximum speed. Its range without additional fuel tanks is over 2,800 kilometers. Combat payload amounts to 7,400 kilograms. Radar stealth and an advanced multi-band passive detection system allow the plane to monitor the operational and tactical situation and reach the required distance for destroying its target undetected. Checkmate is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics to carry out versatile combat missions. In its basic configuration, its active phased array radar allows to simultaneously attack up to 6 targets, even under strong electronic interference. The aircraft can use a full range of weapons and effectively fight against any air, ground, sea targets, and the most advanced air defense systems. Artificial intelligence acts as a co-pilot and allows the human pilot to concentrate on operating the weapons.
Air-to-air missile selected. Target destroyed.
Checkmate's stealth configuration is capable of carrying up to 5 air-to-air missiles of various ranges. It can effectively fight for air supremacy against a numerically superior enemy. It can detect and destroy 5th-generation aircraft in both long and dogfight air combat engagements. Its unique electronic warfare system disarms the enemy. The internal weapon base of the aviation platform can house guns. They allow eliminating minor ground targets without wasting limited high-precision weapons. Suhoi's new light tactical plane has unique payload capacity. It has the largest weapons base in its class. This allows the use of all existing means of destruction in stealth mode, both bombs and high-precision missiles. The combination of high combat payload and low flight hour cost makes the aircraft the leader in its class in terms of price and combat effectiveness. Checkmate is the combat platform of the future, and a